Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Eurovision filter on Instagram. So to get this effect, visit the profile of Eurovision. Okay, when you go to the profile, you will see the profile like this. You have to go to this effect gallery. Okay, if you can't see the effect gallery, what you can do, just drag down the page. Okay, refresh the page and you will see the effect icon. Go there and this is the filter. Tap on it, you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon or effect link is also there. Just tap on it, okay, and you will get the effect. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.